My name is Mary Rose Kilong-Kilong. I discovered Sante through reading a post about breast cyst testimony. That caught my attention. Because kung hindi niyo po maitatanong, I was dealing with the same health issue at the time. I discovered during 2019, I had nodule on my right breast. But thankfully, hindi siya cancerous. Nung na-discover ko siya, sabi ng surgeon, I have two options, extractions or observations. Ako ayoko talaga kasing magpahiwa talaga eh. So, mas pinili ko yung observations. Sabi ng doctor, every 3 months yung observation. Before nung second appointment ko, I discovered Sante barley. So, every 3 to 4 times a day ako kung uminom kasi nga meron akong health concern. Pagbalik ko dun sa second appointment ko, nung after ng 3 months, sabi ng doktor, anong ginawa mo? So, it hits me different kasi ubo kay sa akin si Sante. Buti na lang, I believe in natural healing and I try Sante barley. Imagine, 4 years na akong wala ng bukol. Again, this is Mary Rose Kilong-Kilong, a proud user of Sante barley since 2019. And together, let's live for more with Sante barley.